I'm in a tidal race right now here, and it is, oh my god, I'm getting closer again. Gotta get out. Gotta get out. Don't want to turn around. Phew, yo, no. This is bloody well beating me. Jesus, where did I stop? I tell you, I'm beating it, but only just. It is really fast. And I've got a long way to go. Ah, Jesus Christ. It just seems so smooth. Mamma mia. No, I'm going backwards. No. No. No, help. No. 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 I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. Shit. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So this is me in it. There's nothing I could do. Nothing I could do. I don't know what the hell I'm going to do now. Ah, shit. Mamma mia. This is it. Well, here we go. Certainly seems amazing on that side. Shit. I don't know. Mamma mia. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus. So I'm on the other side of this island now. I don't know what's going to happen from here on. I don't know. Chihuahua. Mamma mia. Whoa. Oh yeah. This is crazy. Whew. big race right here. I think I don't know whether I should go into it or straight, you see, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. See, if it's going that way and I go there, I might get carried too far down that way. I'm just going to go try straight over for now. I don't know. Going between the islands is not a good idea. Wherever the big waves are, well, you saw what happened. It was okay. I mean, I was okay, but I didn't know what was going to happen afterwards, I have to say. Look at this, all this turmoil here. Which way is it going? My goodness, and look over there. There's nothing there. And yet you've got big waves. It's not as though there are rocks there. This is real turmoil. I don't know. Let's just pray. Okay, we're going with it and hoping for the best. We're just going to hope. Chihuahua, this looks fast. This looks fast. Mamma mia. This is fast. I don't know if I should do this, but I've got no choice. We're going to do it. I've got waves from astern. Whoa. Oh, we've got big waves behind us. Big swells. I want to get north of that rock. That rock should be closer by now. I hope my battery's going to last till we get to quiet part at least. Jesus Christ. I'm not making any headway. I'm not going to make it. I haven't crossed at all. I'm really not across at all. Making progress now, folks. I think we're getting past that rock which I wanted to go north of, but we're coming south of it and it should be okay by the looks of it, hopefully. My battery's okay, which I'm surprised at. Chihuahua. Recording this. So, are you working? Yes, sure. So I got them back on board. I can't believe it. I managed to get it over. I climbed aboard, which this reserves the strength I didn't know I had because I felt it was cold. Hypothermia was setting in, I guess. And now I've got to get all the way back because I'm just further south now. I haven't crossed it properly at all. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. I just hope somebody will send me some help because I don't think I'm going to make it. Don't think I'm going to make it. Let's hope for the best, eh? Phone. Shit, it wasn't bloody attached. All that wonderful photo. Oh no. Damn. No. That's what I resent most. Jet? Not really. Well, listen, what do you propose? You towing me or what? Okay. Can you take my paddle? Thank you. Oh, wait. Now we've got to get all my stuff off first. So obviously. No, I'd rather sort it out first.
Have you got a line on this?
Yeah, I have, but
Where is it?
I don't know. Here it is. It's only a very thin one, of course. Shit. I don't know. It's been such a struggle.
Don't capsize, whatever you do.
But I have already. I did. I capsized, and I couldn't. I thought I couldn't write it. I've lost my phone. Shit.
Can you just get out of the boat and we'll sort this out?
Please take that. Please take this as well. I'm sorry. I need to get these off. This is tethered to. Just a second. They're all. This is how I managed to keep them.
Now listen now. How are you going to get it here? Have you got?
I can.
How's your strength?
That's about okay. But listen, anything else I need, mate? Well, I need to get everything. This isn't. I wouldn't mind keeping that. Thank you. Yeah, well, these will stay on.
Yeah,
they will stay on.
Give me your hand.
That's fine.
Right. Shit. Tell me, how heavy is that?
Well, because with the water in it, it's going to be very heavy. And we've got that battery in.
Tie a rope.
We can just plug back, tow it back.
Yeah. Can you pass me that white rope? I'll try and get it through that eye.
I've only got 1% of battery left. I have to change it.
Sit down in case we lose you again.
I'm the idiot who caused all this.
We were working.
Sorry?
We were working, so you got us out of it.
What's that cut on your head? Did you do that?
That was probably climbing bucketball. Thanks everybody. Thank you for coming out. I'm okay. I mean, you know, saved my. I managed to rescue that hat. Is that all of my stuff here? Yeah.
Just wait here for a minute.
Okay. All right.
It takes a minute to get on the dock, so.
Okie dokes.
Your body is still probably in shock from the cold water and everything.
It's slightly.
It will be.
We have a bruise going on up there.
Yeah. Apparently. Yeah. Is that an ambulance?
No,
I'm fine. Coast Guard. So this,
you just wait here for a minute.
okay. Well, I've got so many tethers there for everything.
It's alright, we'll sort it. Alright.
And can you? Yeah.
Okay, got that one.
Is there anything in it?
If you put the thing down, can you put it gently with the motor underneath?
Yes, we got the motor.
Because that's an expensive piece of equipment.
Okay, no problem. And what
Thank
about
you so-
yourself? Are you okay?
I'm very cheap.
Yeah, we're trying to remind you that's the main.
Worthless
Yeah.
almost.
All right. You're
Yeah,
not
I'm
cold
fine.
Or anything? You're not
I'm a
feeling
bit cold, but with the sun coming now,
Okay.
I'm feeling warmer.
All right, well, if you just sort of set yourself down, we'll come back for you in a sec. We'll get rid of this one up the side.
I'm fine.
All right.
Absolutely fine. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Just sit down for a minute. They're going to be there while.
Yeah,
anyway,
sure.
so.
You taking everything? You won't let me carry anything. Shay. Oh,
Is that a
can you-
camera in there?
Yes, it is.
You're effectively a patient now. Nothing you can
I'm
do about it.
I'm effectively
Yeah.
a prisoner.
Yeah, that's what happens. That's what happens. Soon, not long, we'll be off. All your stuff.
Yeah. Thank you.
What time did you set out? 20 to 4.
24.
Yeah.
I was up with crack of dawn,
Wow.
before dawn,
Yeah. Yeah.
because I wanted to make the most of it. And I actually went up the other side of Martin's Haven first because it was a bit early. So yeah, I was on the water by 7:30, I think.
So you've been on outside then for a long time.
Yeah. But I mean, it was a lot of. I wasn't paddling all the time. I mean,
Yeah. No, it's still draining though. But yeah. Yeah. What time did you plan on being back?
Plan well mid-afternoon.
It's all right.
Cheers.
I've been an idiot as well, but I got away with it.
But I have too. I have got away with it too.
Yeah, I know. But
The reason why I got into trouble was because I was when you came, the gap between the main island and the next one, okay, I was actually drifting down the coast there, filming the birds, and then I realised I was in the current, and it just took me, and I fought and I fought and I fought, and I went through.
but remember next time, don't fight it. Go with it.
Well, that's what I did in the end.
Yeah.
I decided in the end I can't do
Don't
it.
fight nature.
Yeah.
You won't get out.
But I thought, well, maybe I'll be taken all the way, held down to Africa or something like that.
back home.
Back home.
But yeah. Now we just wait. Follow the procedure. See what happens.
And somebody said 4 hours before high tide.
Don't worry, as long as you're
And-
safe. Come on
Yeah,
now.
no, but I was just totally confused by it all.
Yeah.
In the end, and some people said one thing, some people said the other.
Yeah.
Right, that's your boat safely up on the slip.
Thank you very much.
Right, so yourself, how long were you in the water for?
You mean capsized?
Yeah, when you capsized.
Um,
Did you swallow any water? Did you take any
a bit,
water in?
only a bit.
Okay. All right, and you cut on your
Yeah,
was that done
that was probably
today?
done when
you capsized.
after I capsized. When
After
I got back
capsized.
on board, I mean,
Okay.
I was all over the
Got a
place.
little cut on your leg as well.
Right, generally you're feeling okay?
I'm feeling fine.
All right.
I'm a bit shaken.
Yep, sure.
But a bit upset that everybody's making such a fuss about this because I'm
Right.
fine.
Are you happy to take a slow walk back up to the slip?
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Did you catch it all on your GoPro? Did you?
Yeah, but the fact is that my phone had the best footage and it's gone. I didn't tether that. It was the one thing I didn't tether.
Never mind.
No,
At
it's,
least
no,
you're
I
safe.
no,
You can
no.
replace
I
the phone.
I'll swap the footage for my family to have forever. Whereas me, forget it. Thanks so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you very much indeed.
No problem.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, guys.
Cheers,
Very
mate.
welcome.
Thank you. Huh?
You're very welcome.
Thank you so much.
Have a good trip back.
Yeah, I might try it again.
Maybe
you never
not.
know. Maybe not.
Not today.
Not today, no. Okay, you won't. Yes, I agree. I shouldn't. Thanks, guys.
It's
Cheers, Jez. Please thank
just
Jez.
stay on the right hand side.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
In case you get a bit wobbly.
Your car here, is it?
It's up in the car park.
Change your clothes in the car. Dry to put on.
I don't think so. No.
Are you driving back to Bath tonight?
No. I'm camping. I'm camping at West Hook Farm. So it's really very easy. I mean, I'm only a little bit cold. That's tiny bit shaken, but that's it. I'm very, very grateful to everybody.
The ending up in Ireland, wasn't it?
Well, your motor's in the gully, so it should be.
Yeah, let me
be
just check.
protected and under
That's
the-
great. Perfect, guys.
Do you need to turn that off because it's still flashing on there?
Yeah, that's good.
You sure you're all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Get out your wet things.
I know. No.
And is the mark on your head okay?
Sorry? Oh, that's nothing.
We'll take you out to the turning circle just at the top of
Easier
this
than
road.
trying to turn
The
around
turning
with it.
circle.
Yeah, it's
That's
just-
it. So I don't have to back down here.
50 metres up there.
Yeah.
We'll take it up there. So we'll carry that up. You
But-
get yourself up to your car. and we'll meet you on the top there. Yeah, so if you park there,
Okay.
we'll bring everything up to you.
Okay, are you
No
sure?
panic,
Yes.
all right?
Can
So-
I take something?
No,
I can
no,
take something.
You take yourself and get yourself organised. and then
Okay.
We'll get your stuff up there.
All right.
We're not going to run off with it, don't worry.
No. I don't worry. It's just that.
Honestly,
Okay.
you gather yourself together and we'll
I will
follow-
do that.
We'll follow you up.
Okay, thank you so much. Hi there. Were you involved in calling the... Sorry?
Rang up. She's just gone. She's seen him tip over and she's gone.
She's gone. Oh, I'd have liked to have spoken to her.
But she said if you're going to give a reward, give it to some guy called Jim. Oh, I'm Jim.
Nice one.
It's coming pints, but